Hello, I descended from heaven to master your Japanese. Today we'll be looking at hiragana and katakana. But I believe all my viewers are smart and capable enough to read and write hiragana and katakana. But some of you might want to learn how to read and write those by watching our videos. And I seriously recommend to watch these videos to improve your understanding of hiragana and katakana. Please watch it. So what I want to concentrate are the four things. First, the letters which might be unfamiliar to the English speakers. And second, voiced and unvoiced consonants. And three, 9 easiest letters to be mixed up with. And fourth, when to use katakana. So let's look at the first one. First, there are 3 carefully selected letters for you which might sound very alien to English speakers. First is tsu. Tsu. Tsu is not in the English alphabet, but if you Romanize it, then it's TSU. You have to pronounce the letter T and S at the same time. It might be a little bit tricky, but T has to sound a little bit stronger than S. So it's tsu. So the lips has to go in like a horizontal line, like tsu. And second is n. Now n, the English equivalent is n, but there's one irregularity in this. First is that you cannot start a word with n. Okay? For example, hatsuon. Hatsuon means pronunciation, so o and n becomes together, so it becomes on, hatsuon. And second is fun. Fu and n. Fun, it's actually written in katakana, although there's a kanji for it. It means animal excretion, like bird or dog. You wouldn't use it to human. So that's hun, fu and n together. And 3 is o. In the Japanese hiragana, there are 2 letters which sound o. There's o in the R section. The one which I'm talking about is this. So this is used as a particle, so it'll be quite hard to find it as a katakana form. A long time ago, the pronunciation of both O's were different, but in the second half of the 20th century, the pronunciation of both letters were unified, so they are all pronounced as O. They are the 3 tricky letters. Now second is voiced and unvoiced letters. There are 2 different types of voiced consonants. So one is called dakuten in Japanese. It's colloquially known as tenten, which means dots dots. So if you find a consonant and you find 2 little dashes on the right hand side, that means it's softened. For example, after ka, then it'll be with the 2 dashes it'll be ga, and after ta it'll be da, and sa becomes za. And the other one is called handakuten, which literally means half dakuten, or colloquially known as maru. Maru in Japanese is circle, and it literally looks like a circle. So, but this is only limited to the ha section, ha, he, hi, ho, fu. So you find the ha section with a circle on the right hand side, then it won't be pronounced as H, but it be pronounced as P. So it'll be pa, pi, pu, pe, po. So this only limited to ha section, and this is handakuten. Now 3 is 9 easiest letters to be mixed up with. And the first one is a, hiragana a, o, and wa. They look very similar, but don't get mixed up. And 2 is hiragana me and nu. 3 is re and ne. 5 is ro, so, and ru. 6 is chi and sa. And 7, katakana so and un. And 8, tsu and shi. 9 is katakana ka and the kanji for chikara. Okay, I specially asked 20 different people to check whether my theory was true, and the result was yes, it's true. They are identical. Okay. So then how can you find out whether it's ka or chikara? Just decide it by reading the context. Okay? And 4 is when to use katakana. There are 3 main ways of using katakana, and the first is when you use foreign loaned words. let's give a few examples. One is Loricon. Loricon is a shortened form of lolicon complex. I'm sure this will be very helpful. You will love Japan even more if you're introduced to this part of the culture. Now, lolicon is when you become attracted to a little girl, probably under puberty, so around 12 years old. You know what I'm saying, right? And the second is cosplay. Cosplay is a katakana word for cosplay, when you dress up as a cartoon character. And 3 is eroge. Eroge is a shortened form of erotic game. I don't think I have to explain any further. So these are the foreign learned words. And second is when you're trying to emphasize or stress something. So kakkoi is an adjective for cool, but it's so cool that it's amazing. Then you would change kakko, which is hiragana, into katakana to stress the meaning. And maji means really? So you would change this to katakana form again. And 3 is onomatopoeia. Yes, like for dogs in English it would be bark bark, but in Japanese it's wan wan. And for cats in English it's meow, right? In Japanese it's nya nya, nya nya. It's so cute, it's unimaginable. It's used for foreign loaned words and for emphasis and onomatopoeia. So this is it for katakana. Next lesson, we'll be looking at the 3 most useful, fundamental, essential, must-know words. It's a secret. It's still a secret, but you'll find it out next lesson. Thank you very much. Bye.